they have an open drift event, and I've been wanting to check it out at this place because I've only been going to Park, and I've been to Evergreen a few times. I guess I figured I'd go to like more events, more tracks and stuff, and check it out. I definitely want to check this place out because they're doing actually quite a bit of open drift events this year. So definitely want to keep these guys in mind too for when I get my second car here soon. But yeah, I'm on my way there now, and I'll see you guys all there or in between stops. I don't know. So I made it with Sam and Shelby, and she's digging around in the car. What's up?
Myrtle, you gonna come with us?
Oh, my God! Is she coming with? Yeah. Ah, shit!
Hey, you just got wiped out. That was so bad. Did you see that?
She's gonna have a very uncomfortable ride in here, I hope you know.
I'll sit with her in my lap.
Okay. And I have a dog in my car. First dog in my car. Yay! I was really hoping to be my dog whenever I got one, but yeah, this works. Make it to that too. That's gonna be in June. Hey, doggy. You're all. All right, let's go. Hey, buddy. What's up, man? How are you? Good. How are you? Good. check it out if you haven't like heard about it yet, it's Spirit Peak Raceway. It's a pretty wide open track. Spirit Peaks with an S Raceway. So come check it out. It's pretty cool. Track is definitely a lot wider than the park track, which is nice. But again, the pavement is a couple spots are a little rough. But other than that, it's a great little place to do your business. Oh, hi, kitty. I know. Look. Meow. Meow. Hi. I fucking love this cat. So yeah, I'm back now. I'm extremely tired, but a promise is a promise. It's not that late. I ended up going to RDM before I even came home, which it worked out. We got back like just in time, so we went there. I was gonna show you guys the products that I got and kind of talk about them just real quick, real briefly. All right, so I got the first set here. So for the first one I got, this is the women's. All my women's order came in. I know, believe it or not, women are actually buying my stuff. But we have the Driftaholic brand. Now, it's the French Terry. I'm not going to wear it because I'm going to look too sexy. But anyways, it wears so it's like the shoulder cut kind of style t-shirt. Again, I would wear it, but I would fucking kill it. And I don't want you guys to be too jealous. So this design, actually, I had to change a little bit. But this is our long sleeve with our simple logo on it. But it is a long sleeve. It feels really thick. And as a matter of fact, this one I can wear. So let me put it on real quick. So this is this shirt. It is a bit of a slim fit, kind of. Because this is a large. So they are kind of the slim fit kind of style, which I like. I like wearing large t-shirts and having them be a bit longer on the bottom, and being kind of a slim fit on the side. But this one came out really good. With that, I'm gonna bounce out of here and get started. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. And of course, don't forget, I almost forgot because I'm tired. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs down. I'll see you guys later. Double bye!